Great MPG, 20 MPG highway new arrival. The superior Grand Cherokee with its grippy four-wheel drive will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you. This Super Limited is just waiting to bring the right owner lots of joy and happiness with years of trouble-free use. This SU5 has less than 82k miles. Classy. Includes a Carfax buyback guarantee. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road, anti-lock brake system, traction control, passenger airbag, front fog, driving lights, stability control. Nicely equipped, leather seats, power locks, power windows, heated seats, auto. Your mega savings store.